Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2015 Vauxhall Mokka SE. This car comes with the 1.6 petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, returning up to 43 miles to the gallon, an insurance group of 5, and the mileage is just over 38,000 miles, and the car comes with good service history. This particular colour is called the Boracay Blue and looks in really good condition for age and mileage. As we have a look inside, the Mokka's a really practical family car. So first of all, you get the nice raised driving position there. The interior is in great condition. The seats are heated and electric, and this car also has a heated steering wheel as well, so ideal for the winter months. Onto the dashboard, you've got your DAB radio there in the centre with your Bluetooth for your phone, as well as climate control and automatic headlights and wipers. And then on the driver's door card there, you've got electric folding mirror and window controls. Mokka's a great access there into the back, so lots of legroom and headroom, and the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and also there's pockets in the back of the front seats, and also even a 12-volt socket there, 3-pin socket there in the centre for the rear passengers. And opening the tailgates, you have the good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place, and then you even have some extra space underneath the boot floor there to hide bits and pieces away. Externally, the car comes with the 18-inch alloy wheels and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and with a finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.